One fine evening, Thomas was puffing through the countryside. He was pushing a van filled to the brim with cash.
Time to score some crack cocaine.
Said a very inebriated Thomas. Thomas arrived at Harwick Station, where Donald and Douglas, the Scottish twin immigrants, were waiting for him.
Hey, Thomas, you got the cash now, don't you? Yeah, I got it right here now. Where's the crack?
Hey, in that truck, said Donald.
Give us the cash and you can take it,
said Douglas.
Yeah, fine stuff here. Pleasure doing business with you too.
Later that evening, Thomas and Oliver had completely run dry of cocaine.
Oh, that was some good stuff.
I do agree, but I don't feel too good. Oh dear, exclaimed Thomas the Tank Engine.
I think that's the worst of it. I shouldn't have drank that oil before using that crack. Poor engine, now you've made a mess of the sheds. Ugh.
Our engines are a bit strange today. Maybe next day they will be a bit more normal.